Leonine is a luxury smart car that combines advanced technology and exquisite design. The overall shape of the L9 body adopts a soft curved surface design, which is a popular shape design at the moment. There is no obvious waistline and shoulder line. The complex curved surface change bring rich line and shadow effects and also demonstrates the high-quality stamping technology. The front face adopts a bold air intake grille design, which complements the staring LED lights that complete canopy. Interior of the Leonine focuses on comfort and luxury. All seats in the car have been upgraded to 6 electric seats with electric adjustment and seat heating. L9 adopts a set of 5-screen interactive modes, which replaces the cancellation of the traditional instrument panel. The central armrest is equipped with 2 15-watt wireless charging stations. The refrigerator under the second row air conditioning control is very practical. It uses compressor to accurately control the temperature. LED can be said to have taken the theme of family to the extreme. The smart copy interactive system, comfortable configuration, and storage space are all serving the needs of family. The needs of all passengers from 0 to 80 years old will be met.